The key is early diagnosis. Most of the cancers can be treated if they're diagnosed early enough.
Wel, y dwedaeth si yn fach o'r hun, fi si ffodus iawn 6 wythnos fi si gyd. Ond o'r rhai ohonyn teimlo bod o'r rhy hir deud y gwir lle.
There's also the issue of the awareness of this disease, and it takes such a long time from presenting to the primary care. From that time to diagnosis is far too long, by which time the disease has progressed somewhat. Inevitably, somebody has reached the liver, and it's far more difficult to contain. And well, there is no cure, we know that, but then to contain the symptoms is far more difficult.
I had initially a serious cough, which was misdiagnosed. I was sent to an asthma clinic at my GP surgery, and it was almost a year before the severity of my condition was discovered, and I was terminal T4, terminally ill at that point, with blood clots and collapsed lung, and I was not expected to live. And it's only through the care that I've actually received from the cancer care team and the chemotherapy team, and also a new drug, that I'm still alive today, 4 years later. I did feel that I did keep presenting the symptoms over and over and over again, and I wasn't being listened to.